Yesterday I showed you how to edit a lead capture page inside the website section. We have other lead capture page templates that you can start with. Basically, you're starting from scratch, and I'll show you how to do that. So if you hover over websites, hover over web pages, and click on Create Web Pages. You're going to choose the one here that says Opt-in Form Survey, which is the top radio button. And now you have some templates that you can choose from. I'm going to choose this template here right in the middle called Survey Appears on Time Delay. Now you can choose a more specific type of layout. One has a black background, etc. I'm going to choose this one here on the left. And all I'm going to do here is just name my page on step number 1. Whatever you name your page, this is going to show up inside your My Web Pages section. And I've said this before, but I'll say it again just so you understand. Whenever you create a page, whenever you copy a page, anytime you ever create something, it's always going to show up by hovering over websites, hovering over web pages, and it's going to be in My Web Pages section. So if you start creating a lot of stuff, well, you're going to want to know how to find a specific thing that you're looking for. So that's why it's key to give these pages a name that you're going to be able to recognize what page that is. And you're the only one that can see that. That's just to help you find your page. Now, whatever you type in here is going to show up in the title tag or the meta tag on top of the lead capture page. You can actually, on step 2, decide if you want a delay for these form fields to appear. I'm going to simply delay it 10 seconds. So what that means is after your prospect lands on that page, they're not going to see the opt-in forms until 10 seconds. Okay, now step 3, choose an autoresponder campaign. Whenever you've created a campaign in the past, or if you want to use one of ours, anything you've ever created as far as an autoresponder campaign will always show up here. Obviously, our campaigns that we've written are here if you want to use one of those. So that's really easy. Step 4 is to decide what domain or subdomain do you want to attach this lead capture page to. Well, I like the fact that I can create a subdomain on the fly, right here on the spot. So I'm just going to call this lead capture. I normally wouldn't name it that, but just for our example, I'll do it this way. And the final step here, step 5, is what do I want my prospects to land on after they opt in? Well, I can click this radio button here and choose any page within my system, or I can choose any website I want. I'm just going to type in something to get us by here, nba.com. I'm going to save my changes, and you'll notice along the top it's very simple just to follow along to get everything done. So here we are on this step here, edit text, and I'm looking at my form, and if I want to change the banner on top, all I got to do is click that image. Now I can go do a search on Google for banners. I can go to my company's corporate site and see if they have a banner I can use. I could save that to my desktop and upload it, and I can do that by just clicking this browse button here and then submit. Very simple. Or I can choose from one of the banners that's already provided for me. Alright, so here's something generic. I'm just going to use that. And if I want to change the headline, I just click here and I can change this headline to be any size, any color. I can center it, whatever I want it to say. And then I'm going to click OK. And I can choose whatever text that I want to go above the opt-in forms, and then click OK. And that's it. So I've done what I wanted for this part here. Now I'm going to go here where it says Set Background. Now this is really simple. You just move these little circles, and it allows you to come up with whatever color that you want. And when you're done, just click right here where it says Click here to save. One change pending. And now the final step here is to select video location. Now if I kept this radio button on top, that will bring me to our video library, where you can choose from a selection of videos. Or I can select right here and go grab a video from YouTube. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to click grab a video from another website. I'm going to click Save. Now it's asking me to paste the embed code from the video that I want. Well, I'm going to bring us over to YouTube. Every single video on YouTube, it's very simple just to grab the code. All you're going to do is find the video that you want, click on Share, click on Embed, and then just copy that code. And oh wait, before you do that, I would click here where it says Use Old Embed Code, and then uncheck this Show Suggested Videos when it finishes. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come back, and I'm just going to paste that right here. Click this box to start automatically, and I'm going to save my changes. And that's it. I'm done with my lead capture page. Now, I want you to know that I took no time in creating the right colors, the color scheme, or anything like that. I just did this very fast and loose. And as you can see, after about 10 seconds, that opt-in form appeared below the video. So follow those steps. That's going to allow you to create a lot of different designs. We have a lot of pages and templates to choose from, and you're going to find that this is very simple to use.